Hello everyone, and welcome to another video on our channel. In today's, you're gonna see funny road rage moments, so be sure to keep watching this video. But before we start, kindly like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our latest video updates. Now, let's get started. Alright, so a little bit of road rage can be normal, but the way this old guy got pissed off because of some tiny obstruction is insane.
Let me get my pipe.
If you hit my car, I'm suing you.
Come here, you.
This man is smart enough to show his anger without being violent. Now that's something innovative.
You don't cry in the car.
Even the honk of a horn can be too annoying for these road ragers, but being impulsive isn't safe on the road. Instant karma can hit you hard.
Say that he repeated the same 25-second response over and over again to last night's frequently on the campaign trail. But a reporter from Vox has a completely different take, writing, quote, and this is the title for the article, I saw a Marco Rubio town hall in New Hampshire
Now this man clearly had a bad day. Maybe that's why he decided to recall all the abusive words he's ever learned.
Damn it. What's that about, huh? What's up? What, you don't see where you're f***ing going?
I wasn't even driving.
Don't shut the f*** up, you f***ing piece of bacon! Why'd I get picked up?
I feel sorry for the poor girl. She didn't expect that response.
You ever cut me off again like that, you're gonna have a serious fucking problem.
Touching my door is assault.
Touching my door is assault.
Okay.
Are you a f***ing retard or what? Are you a f***ing retard?
Some people get triggered by the slightest mistakes of others on the road, while some enjoy teasing people and making them show their rage.
Yeah. You would flinch then, wouldn't you? Alright. You're sitting in the middle of the road, aren't you?
Get out of the truck! Get out of the truck, little lady!
No, I'm good.
See, because you know you lose.
How do I lose?
Because I will beat your into the ground all day long.
That's kind of gay, isn't it?
I will beat your dude. Hop out.
It is indeed a tough job to deal with two angry drivers on the road. Salute to the officer who's trying to calm them down from such a distance. Some of the road ragers are weak and not daring enough to fight in real life, and this video is proof. Showing the middle finger is never enough for road ragers. This person on the bike doesn't want to miss any chance to enjoy while teasing the car guy. He is truly enjoying the moment. Anger expressed at one's car in this way can be lethal. It's never worth it. Aggressive driving is insanity on wheels.
Whoa, calm down, bro. Yo, calm down.
Another instant karma. It's hard to decide whether we should feel sorry for him or laugh at the way his phone slipped away from his hand. So let's do both. This is the problem with getting angry immediately. You can shout out loud at others without realizing who is actually at fault.
But
I can't open my skin car. My daughter has to get in. He won't believe car. My daughter has to get in. Move it. You parked it too close. Yeah, you hurt me. When you open that door,
Does she do this a lot? Is she okay?
No, she's fine. The car is parked too close to her car.
Do you see your tire? Let's get serious. Let's get serious. You see the line that separates these? Now come over here. Come over here. Come on. This is just for fun. This is just for fun. No, come here. Look. Just for fun. Look. And then look at this.
Look, your tire is right on that white.
You need to stay within the lines.
So do you. So do you.
But look, I'm perfectly between the lines. Look, oh, I'm actually hugging this side a little too much. Yeah.
That's all for today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know in the comment section down below about your experience with these road ragers. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.